clean. I'm watching this race.
That'll be a first.
Here we go. Corner marshals ready.
I'll probably hit that out of the
First and second corner ready. Drivers ready.
Ready, Aaron?
Go. Is that him? You changed bodies on me. Oh, gets taken out by Aaron. Mike's up front right now. Kyle is about a quarter of a lap down. And then we got Turner, which is another quarter of a lap down. Randy, West, Tim, then Harvey. Like Tim's off the track right now, and Mike is tangled up, and we got Kyle starting to catch him now. Turner's about a half lap down from Kyle, and Kyle looks like he's about a quarter lap down from Mike. Turner's in third, Randy's in fourth, West then Harvey. Tim must be broken. Scott Turner, he's going to be going for second place here in a second. Oh, and here we go. Randy just moves into third place. And right now it's still Mike, Kyle, Randy, Turner, West, and Harvey. Good job keeping it clean right there between second and third. We don't want to cost each other positions. Mike's running away with it though. He just got knocked the lap though. No reason. Nobody. And West Rex, he's upside down right now. Mike's trying to get around Turner, which is a couple laps down. Easy, Turner, easy. Oh, and look at there. Kyle's in the wall over there. I'm trying to get 6 seconds left. Right now it's still Mike, Kyle, Randy, Turner, Wes, then Harvey. Hold on, Wes. Just hold him out there. Hold on. Go ahead and go. 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 And actually, that's the race. Final standings was Mike with 26 laps. 13.8. Kyle, 25 laps at 13.8. Randy, 23 laps. 14.7. Turner, 23 laps at 14.9. Wes with 22 laps at 14.3. Harvey with 19 laps at 15.1. All right, it's time for short course for beginner. I need 3 balls.